Talking to our community now, with most people staying home for Nevada, the Food Bank of Northern Nevada says there are fewer people volunteering. At the same time, a lot more families need food assistance. Michelle Lorenzo shows us how to help during the pandemic.
Everybody is facing a crisis of some level, and everything is uncertain. Everything is changing every minute.
But the Food Bank of Northern Nevada is trying to tackle challenges brought on by COVID-19.
We were helping about 91,000 people every single month, and half of those have been children and seniors. So there are people that often are working, they're trying to make ends meet, and we're trying to help them out. Now we're faced with a lot of people being out of work.
On top of that, because most people are trying to stay at home, as you can imagine, there are a lack of volunteers, but the need continues to grow.
We are seeing a dramatic increase in need for emergency food services. The last 2 weeks, we've seen at our mobile harvest distributions, that's our direct service program, we've seen those distributions go up 30 to 50%.
Which is why the food bank is hoping to get more volunteers. Today it started what it calls a pop-up volunteer session, making food boxes at the Reno Sparks Convention Center. The event will also be held on Thursday, and the food bank says the location is large enough to have volunteers spread out while working. People we spoke with say the measures in place help them feel safe, and it's also a gratifying experience.
They provide everything here. They've got gloves, they've got hand sanitizer, they're following all of the 6-foot social distancing. It really is a safe environment. You know, if you're not healthy, you don't want you to come out, but I'm pretty strong, I feel pretty good, so I just want to come out and do what I can.
Oh, it's an awesome feeling. You just can feel so helpless at this time. It's such a global crisis, and if we can do just one small thing to help it, it's worth it.
Covering the story, Michelle Lorenzo, 2 News.
And we do have a link to sign up to volunteer on our website and our 2 News app. Now, if you can't volunteer, there are other ways to help too. 2 News is working to raise money for the food bank right now. You can give just by texting. Text the word FEED NV followed by a dollar amount of any amount to this number, 50155. Now, so far, the food bank has raised more than $7,300 just from your text donations, which is awesome. Thank you so much. That is enough to pay for 22,000 meals so far. But as you know, with more people out of work, the need just keeps growing.
Well, the